the annual presentation of our class. The topic of our assembly is World Earth Day.
True prayer is neither a mere mental exercise nor a vocal performance. It is far deeper than that. It is a spiritual transaction with the creator of heaven and earth. So, join your hands and close your eyes and get ready for the morning prayer.
Bind us together, Lord, bind us together. Cords that cannot be broken. Bind us together, with love. There is only one God. There is only one King. There is only one body. That is why we can say, bind us together, Lord, bind us together with cords that cannot be broken. Bind us together, Lord, bind us together, Lord, bind us together with love. Bind us together with love. Bind us together with love.
Works like fire, which keeps us encouraging and smiling. So here come Aradhya to share her views.
I repeat my thought. Earth provides us enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed.
In our entire solar system, Earth is the only planet that sustains life. World Earth Day is celebrated to protect the Earth from all the man-made harm. Now we are going to present a knowledgeful and thought-provoking group discussion on World Earth Day.
Observed each year on April 22nd. It is celebrated worldwide to demonstrate support for environmental protection.
It was first held on 22nd April 1970 in United States. World Earth Day was introduced by US Senator Gaylord Nelson in 1970 and more than 20 million people participated
This
in it.
event was triggered by Santa Barbara oil spill in 1969 and other environment-related issues.
World Earth Day was recognized on the world platform and 141 nations celebrated the day dedicated to
The World Earth Day is celebrated in 193 countries to promote activities to protect the environment and save Mother Earth from harmful effects caused by human activities.
This occasion of Earth Day, the most serious environmental issues such as pollution, global warming, climate change, acid rain, ozone layer depletion, etc. are discussed.
A range of events are organized which are coordinated globally by Earth Day. Organizations in more than 193 countries.
World Earth Day 2022 will mark the 52nd anniversary of this day. The theme for this year is Invest in Our
The
Planet.
idea behind the team is to encourage governments and citizens to take steps to follow more sustainable practices and taking an active role in Earth's
World Earth Day is a message to the world how to better treat Mother Earth, and it pushes us towards achieving a greener economy. Thank
Today
you.
is the 52nd World Earth Day. Saving the earth and its environment becomes highly important as it provides us with food and water to sustain life.
To understand the purpose of our day celebration, we are going to present a small skit.
Hello everyone, I am the Earth of 1970, healthy and beautiful.
Hello everyone, I am your beloved Earth, the Earth of 2022.
Hey, what happened to you? Why are you coughing? Aren't you feeling well?
Oh, I am the most developed Earth.
Earth of 2022. Meet me. I am the Earth of 1970.
Oh, 1970. That is why you look too old-fashioned.
Oh, please. I am far better than you. Look at yourself. Due to pollution, your color has become black.
How smart am I? Today's people are so developed. They are having all facilities like mobiles, internet, satellite. What was with you? Nothing?
During our time, we had clean and healthy environment. How good is your growth and development that has brought about the global warming?
Oh please, I have developed in every term. Human beings are the most advanced today.
Come on, I will show you more about the 1917 Earth. Come, let's see.
Made for lunch today.
Green vegetables with dal and roti.
Wow, what a delicious food. Now I am going to sleep. Please bring my blanket.
See how people used to be happy with what they had and slept peacefully.
Thank God for the delicious.
Today also people sleep peacefully as they have all the facilities.
I will show you more about 1917 Earth.
What are you doing? I am planting a tree. Every year on my birthday, I plant a tree so that Mother Earth becomes more beautiful. You can also plant a tree.
Yeah, sure. My pleasure.
Did you see how people care for me in my period? In your period, people are cutting
Wait a minute. If you want new lifestyle, trees are needed to be cut for making new furniture. Come, I'll show you.
Hi, how are you? I got to know that you have bought a new car.
Hello, I'm fine. Yes, you're right. I have bought a new model car.
What is its average?
Average? Who cares about the average?
But what about pollution? Our environment will get polluted.
Pollution? I don't worry about the pollution. It's my status symbol.
Yes, you are right.
You know, the virus is spreading all over the world.
Electricity problem has increased. You know kids don't stay without AC. But why did you cut the trees in front of your house?
We have purchased our third car and for parking it, we have to cut the tree. Mosquitoes are biting.
These are not mosquitoes. People are cutting trees, so you are feeling pain.
No, this is the new lifestyle what everyone wants. They are happy with it.
Happy? What type of growth it is? We can see pollution has increased, global warming has grown, a usage of plastic can cause a lot of pollution. People are taking sleeping pills for sleeping peacefully.
How does it matter to us? Let the next generation take care of all these problems.
Have you thought about the way this is going to trouble the future generations?
Earth 2080 comes coughing and pain. Hey, who are you?
I am the Earth of 2080.
What happened to you? Are you not well?
No, my people are dying because of you, because of the pollution.
People are moving with oxygen cylinders. Everywhere there is pollution. Oh no, what have we done?
If you don't understand, now this will be your future. By spoiling the environment, you cannot be healthy. You will die of suffocation.
Come,
let us work together and make every day an Earth Day.
Some of my friends are here with the wonderful idea to celebrate Earth Day and how to make every day an Earth Day.
The best way to celebrate Earth Day is to plant a tree. It helps to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions and control pollution.
Talk to your friends about saving water while brushing the teeth, switching off lights and fans while not in use. Use both sides of paper, etc.
Ride a bicycle. You will save energy and help to keep the pollution level down. Clean up litter on roads as it helps you to keep your surroundings neat and clean.
We should follow 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and beautiful world of art to show your concern for environment.
Organic food as it is healthy and has a minimum impact on the environment.
Always clean your school clean and learn how to conserve natural resources.
Dispose of hazardous waste materials in recycling sector.
So some of our classmates are going to recite a Hindi poem.
पृथ्वी को बचाएंगे, आने वाली पीढ़ियों का सुखी भविष्य बनाएंगे। वायु, जल, भूमि प्रदूषण से यह पृथ्वी आहत है। शुद्ध हवा, पानी और स्वच्छता हर मानव की चाहत है। छोटे सरल प्रयासों से प्रदूषण को हराएंगे, आने वाली पीढ़ियों का सुखी भविष्य बनाएंगे। रेड लाइट पर गाड़ी का इंजन यदि हम सब बंद करें, वायु प्रदूषण की गति को मिलकर हम सब बंद करें। वर्षा के जल को बचाकर जल संरक्षण अपनाएंगे, आने वाली पीढ़ियों का सुखी भविष्य बनाएंगे। बूंद बूंद से घट बढ़ता है, यही मंत्र अपनाएंगे, आने वाली पीढ़ियों का सुखी भविष्य बनाएंगे। पॉलीथीन की थैली ना लें, कपड़े के थैले अपनाएं, कूड़ा कूड़ेदान में डाले, पास पड़ोस को स्वच्छ बनाएं। अपने शुभ दिन पर हम सब एक पेड़ लगाएंगे, आने वाली पीढ़ियों का सुखी भविष्य बनाएंगे, आने वाली पीढ़ियों का सुखी भविष्य बनाएंगे।
Music is the greatest communication in the world. Even if people don't understand the language, they still know good music when hear it. Now, Angel Soni of our class is going to sing a melodious song.
The earth is my home, I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful. I will love the land, the air, the water, and the living creatures. I will be a defender of my planet, united with friends. I will save the earth. United with friends, I promise to keep it. United with friends, I will love the land. United with friends, I'll be a defender. I will save the earth. The earth is my home, I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful. I will love the land, the air, the water, and the living creatures. I will be a defender of my planet, united with friends. I will save the earth. I will save the earth.
Can make you see, hear, smell, taste and touch the thing that a poet is writing about. Now Akriti, Angel Gagneja and Akshay of our class are going to present an English poem.
When you see litter in the streets and the air smells of pollution, when you feel like it's all piling up, remember there is a solution. There is something each of us can do to keep the rivers clean, to keep fresh the air we breathe, and keep the forest green. Help clean a beach or recycle bottles and cans. Learn about the problems we face and help others understand. It doesn't have to be a lot if we just do our share. So take time out on Earth Day to show the earth.
Music is a stress buster and a source of relief. It gives us moment of joy. So now Ayush of our class is going to present a beautiful Hindi song.
जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा, हम कहाँ रहेंगे, हम कैसे जिएंगे, हम कहाँ रहेंगे, हम कैसे जिएंगे, हम कैसे जिएंगे, हम कैसे जिएंगे। फूलों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा, अंधेरों से हम घेरे हुए, अंधेरों से हम भागे रहे, अंधेरों से हम घेरे हुए, अंधेरों से हम भागे रहे। हवाओं ने जाके पत्तों से पूछा, पत्तों ने जाके पेड़ों से पूछा, हम कहाँ रहेंगे, हम कैसे खिलेंगे, हम कहाँ
The biggest thing that classical dance and music does to you is help to attain balance between your mind and soul. Now some students of our class are going to present the classical dance.
Dance is a music made visible. Dance is a silent poetry. Dance is mother of all art. Dance is dreaming with your feet. So here are my classmates who are going to perform a group dance.
ये साजिशें दिशाओं की, ये साजिशें हवाओं की, धुआं 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 ही धुआं। बस माँ ही करती है, ये कोई नहीं कर सकता, बस माँ ही करती है।